Good morning, civic students. Happy Monday. Today marks 4 weeks until the end of this trimester and officially the end of the 2019-2020 school year. That means that all of us need to be really committed to what we're doing right now. If you're behind, don't give up. Try to get the stuff done. I am here to help you. Please, I'm here to help you. And if you are doing well, keep going. I'm really confident in your abilities to finish strong. So today what you should be working on is the Bill of Rights application, which is finding a story in which one of our rights is highlighted or violated. Please take the time to write for this assignment. This is a summative assignment. And when you have a conversation with people, you rarely have a one-line conversation when you're discussing a subject that has great importance, like an actual right. So read the task 1 and task 2, write complete sentences. We've learned how to cite. We will write the headline. We'll talk about the article, why it supports or violates the rights. And then you're gonna take the second part to explain, okay? Explaining is not one sentence. You got to really come with it. And just write it down like you're talking to someone. Even if it's not perfect, just type it out. Then go back and read what you've written and make sure it's in complete sentences. That means it starts with a capital letter and it ends with punctuation, okay? So this is something I am happy to help you with. I think you're at the level now in 9th grade, at the end, going into 10th grade, that you're going to be able to do very well. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Tomorrow we will start with a assignment on the amendments, 11 through 27. And at the end of this week, we're going to have our whole Foundations of Government assessment, summative assessment. So we got to keep up to date this week, and I will be having a live WebEx this week. I hope everyone will join me. That's going to be on Thursday, and we're going to do a review for the final summative. So it's really important that everybody comes to this live WebEx on Thursday. Okay, if you have any questions, email me. If you want to meet me via WebEx, have any questions, need help with any assignments, I'm here to help you. I hope you have a great week. Stay safe, stay warm, and be engaged.